real quick, I just wanted to say that, yeah, I know some of my videos are a little long. There's a lot of fluff in there that could probably be cut out. I'm not all that great at editing a video, but also, more importantly than that, maybe you're not somebody that wants to watch the whole video, and that's totally fine. But maybe you're somebody like me who wants to see how something's done and see all the processes, even if it's just, minutes of me trying to get something square or figure it out. Maybe that's how you learn. That's kind of how I learn. So that's the reason why there's a lot of extra fluff, and I try not to edit it out. That way people can get an idea of how it's going. Like me, I'll watch somebody else's how-to or DIY video, and I'll pause it, rewind it, pause it, rewind it, if there's something I think that's important to me in that section. So, if you want to like and subscribe, much appreciate it. If you give my videos a thumbs down, drop a comment. Let me know what you don't like about it. Would appreciate the feedback. Thanks.